Hi kids, in today's video we are going to start with the unit number 4, which is about natural resources. So let's start. We have many things around us. There are also job opportunities for us. We use them to meet the needs of our life. All these things are called resources. The resources are of three types: natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. So kids, this unit is basically about resources, in which we will definitely going to talk majorly about natural resources. So as human person or as a human being, we depend on different things that are around us. It could be our home, it could be the food, it could be the shelter, it could be the money using which we purchase few things. It could be the job we work on to get some money and earn some income. It could be any resource that help us out to survive in this world. So, majorly there are three types of resources: natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. Let's have a look of what these resources are. Natural resources. All those resources which are provided by the nature are called natural resources. For example, earth, mountains, rivers, plants, water, air, animal, etc. So all those resources, all those things provided to us by the nature are called natural resources, such as the planet Earth we live on, such as the mountains, the rivers, the water, air, fruits, vegetables, and all these things are natural resources. Then comes the human resources. The skills and abilities of a person are called human resources, the resources a person has, such as his skills and abilities. For example, masons have skills to construct buildings. A painter makes these buildings beautiful by painting them. Similarly, the farmer cultivates the crops. Thus, the farmer, the builder, painter, wood artisan, potter, cobbler, and blacksmith, etc., are also included in human resources. So, right after the natural resources, we have some human resources, which is basically the skill or ability of a person to do something, such as constructors, they construct buildings, painter paints them to be look like beautiful, farmer cultivates the crops to have some food and fruits and grains. So all these people, pilot, they fly the planes so that we can have some flights and we can travel all along. Drivers, they drive the cars of a driver of taxis and cabs, they help us move along from here to there. Not only this, but teachers, they also teach us and help us learn and grow. Doctors, they help us to be healthy. So all these are people having certain skills and abilities are called human resources. Next, we have capital resources. A man uses his wealth to make such resources which become a source of income. These resources are called capital resources. For example, bus, car, tractor, computer, factories, machines. These are all capital resources. So we can say all those factors and resources that help us earn a particular income are called our capital resources. Capital stands for the income which we generate. So if you are a driver, if you know any person who is a cab driver or taxi driver, a bus driver, an auto driver, these are basically the vehicle the person is using is a capital resource, right? Similarly, tractor, computer, factories, machines, these are all the capital resources, as you can see here in the picture. So that's all from this unit number 4, which is about natural resources, in which we learned that natural resources are the resources provided by the nature, such as the plants, rivers, mountains, hills, the greenery, the leaves, the air, food, the shelter. And then we learned about human resources, which are the skills and abilities of a person, such as the person could be doctor, teacher, pilot, engineer, farmer, an auto driver, could be anything. Then we learned the third type of resource, which is called the capital resource, which is basically the particular factor we are using as a resource to earn some income. Let's move to the exercise of this chapter. Here in this exercise, we have to give short answers. We are going to just discuss these. You will do it on your own as the chapter is self-explanatory. What are resources? You will find the answer in the text. The resources are basically anything that help us grow and earn. What are the different types of resources? Name them. We have 3 types of resources. First is your natural resource, your human resource, and capital resource. Who created the natural resources? What are their names? Nature created the natural resources. It could be plant, the air, water, mountains, hills, anything. What are human resources? Explain by giving examples. Human resources are basically the skills and abilities that you use as a person to become and help others to do something. Such as a doctor helps to be healthy, a teacher helps you to learn and grow. What are included in capital resources? All those resources and factors that help you earn something, an income, that are capital resources, such as your car, your bus, your motorbike. It could be your bus. So these are all capital resources. Then we have to take the correct answer. Let's find in what kind of resources a forest is included. Natural, human, and capital. So we know that forest is basically related to nature. So natural resources is the correct answer. Let's highlight it. Next is in what kind of resources a computer is included. So, since we can use computer to earn an income, it means it is a capital resource. Lastly, in what kind of resources a mason is included? Mason is a person who constructs building, so it is again a human resource. Let's move ahead. Here we have another activity that says put the resources written below in the right category or column. These are the resources, and we have again the 3 main categories of resources: natural, human, and capital. So we have to put accordingly these resources. Truck, it is a capital resource, so we're going to write it over here. Next is bus, again a capital resource, which has already been written, as you can see. Forest, related to nature, a natural resource. Car, a source to generate your income, a capital resource. Painter, someone who paints, it means a human resource. Air, related to nature, a natural resource. Farmer, a human resource. Horse has already been written over here, it's a natural resource. River, related to nature, a natural resource. Builder, somebody who builds, that's a human resource. Sea, related to nature, natural resource. Then plants, laborers, and computer. These 3 are left, so you have to do it on your own to check your understanding of the concept. So that's all from this unit 4, in which we learnt about 3 resources: natural, human, and capital. I hope you enjoyed and understood today's concept. I'll be back with some more videos. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.